Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have a thread up DIY denim unboxing for you all. I paid after shipping and taxes basically like $60. So yeah, let's go ahead and crack this box open. So I believe it's 30 pounds of denim, whatever, usually jeans, but whatever denim they have. I'm hoping that I don't get too many shorts. And really, as long as I can get 10 things to sell out of this box that I'm actually excited for, like that I would pick up at my location, I would be paying $6 per piece, which is less than what I pay. My jeans are typically $8 a piece, so yeah, or more. They price Lucky Brand jeans at $20, and we don't have colored tag sales, so I don't know what they're doing. I can't imagine them really selling. Anyway, single piece tissue paper. At least I see jeans up top, so that's a good sign. Okay, these are Madewell. I find that Madewell can tend to sit, though sometimes as long as I price it right, I can get it to move a little faster. So I just have to be careful about that. There it is. Okay. The Perfect Vintage Jean, size 28. It is this light wash jean with a little bit of distressing. Seems to be in good condition, so we'll sell those. These are just black jeans, size 25. They are a distressed black jean. I can't remember if just black is worth selling or not. I know at one time I had a pair of just black jeans listed, but they did not sell, and I think I pulled them out, so this is Emily B, size 6. Jeans, I don't know anything about this brand, so I will look this up. They look to be like a low rise and like a straight leg or boot cut maybe. I'd say straight leg. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. That's very intricate and pretty. BDG, okay, I will sell these. They're BDG jeans, size 24, low rise flare. That right there is so cool. So flare leg jean, low rise, very Y2K. I have to be a little bit picky on BDG because it doesn't sell for like the most money, but I think that these are cool and fun, and I will definitely sell those. Oop. Okay, new tag, Kendall and Kylie. I don't think that this is really anything. I don't think they sell for much, but I'll look it up since they are new with tags. I might just, give it a try. The Icon High Rise Straight in a size 527. I'll look them up, but I'll probably end up selling them just because they are new with tags, so fingers crossed on that. Ooh, this is Frame Denim, which I know can do good. Size 28. LeJane wide leg, so that's a good style. If these were my size, I would totally keep them, but I don't think a 28 is my size. I think a 28 is like a size 6 roundabout. That's not me. I wish it was, but it's not. Like distressing on the bottom, but this is factory distressing, so I'm super excited about those. I've got 3 pairs of jeans so far that I'm really excited to sell. These are Levi's. They size 31, the 501 shorts. These are kind of cute with the button fly, so I'll probably try to sell those. Hold on, I gotta go let my dogs in before they start barking at these people that are working on these lines. All right, next, these are Loft and Taylor, size 2, the curvy boot cut. They're in a really good condition. I'm gonna think about those because size 2 can typically be a little bit slower to move. These are Gap Denim. Okay, 5-inch short, size 26. These are cute. I'm gonna think about those too. They're probably the maybes, like these I'm probably gonna sell. The ones I'm gonna look up that I'm not sure of, I don't know if I'll sell yet. All just depends. Okay, these I will not sell. They're the Old Navy OG straight jeans, size 2. I just know that these won't. They'll just sit and sit. So I will be donating those. All right, these are Free People. Oh wait, no, sorry, Current Elliott, right? They look like Free People. Yeah, Current Elliott, size 26. The ankle skinny, there we go. Sorry, I have never sold Current Elliott jeans. Let me just make sure. Looks like nowhere. This tag made me think Free People, but yeah. All right, we will sell those because I'm pretty sure Current Elliott is good. I might double check it and look it up, but I'm pretty sure it's good. Wedgie straight, size 29. Levi's. Those are cute. I like those. I'm gonna try to sell them. I think that they're cute. Oh my. These are packs that I probably will not sell. These, they are the 23 mom shorts. They are pretty cute, but that really small size, I can't seem to move it, so I'm just gonna sell it. American Eagle shorts, size 00. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna sell those. Those are cute too, but I don't think I'll try. Another Old Navy. These are a size 14, the Rockstar skinny. I can't really move Old Navy jeans, so we're at what? 4 donating so far. These are, they just say jeans, so I just assume that they're like a Shein type thing. They're very interesting with these little tassels, very rich, or like glitzy cowgirl. I'm not gonna sell those. Universal thread, size 14 shorts. I will not be selling those. Mainly just because they don't move for me, so, and I can't really make much from them. Zara woman, okay. Size 2. These are cute. I just have a hard time selling Zara. Maybe I'll just price them pretty cheap. See what I can get for them. Denizens by Levi's. I'm not going to try to sell these. Again, they just don't really move. Looks like they had all the good stuff packed up onto the top. Unfortunate. Okay, these I don't think are anything. Everything is cut out of them and they just feel cheapy. Yeah. So I'm just gonna say no to those. I don't know anything about them. Old Navy size 8, Sky High A-line shorts. No, but I might be able to fit into these maybe. For now, those are no. Oh, these are old American Eagle jeans. I might try to sell these just because they're old. Oh wait, are these men's? 26, 28? Is that a men's? Oh, but there is some wear on the back that I don't think was meant to be there. But this is old American Eagle. Riders by Lee. Probably not gonna try to sell these. Alright, I see the bottom, so hoping that we're gonna get a little bit better. These are just Lee, but I don't even know the size. It doesn't say the size. Size tag is ripped out, so I'm gonna pass on those. I don't love selling things without a size. These are 7 for All Mankind. Okay, I will sell these. The Cara boot cut jean. They seem to be in good condition. I'll sell those. Massimo, size 11, lowest flare. Those are interesting, and they've got like this interesting embroidered pocket. I don't think I'm gonna sell those, but I'm gonna look them up just in case, because I am. Lands In, I don't think is anything. Size 10 shorts. I don't think I will look. I'm gonna look those up, and I don't think that they're anything either. Fashion Nova New Tags. I can't move Fashion Nova. Size 3. Do they do vanity sizing? Not sure, but I also don't love this style, so there, no. Sorry, dogs. These are Madewell, the curvy perfect vintage wide leg crop. Okay, those are good style in a size 25, so small size. I'll have to check these over really well because they are white denim, but I will sell those. Colored denim, ooh, universal thread, size 2. Pass. And the last are a pair of Hollister shorts. H coat, that's how you know that they're older Hollister shorts. Oh, size 0. Teeny tiny little Hollister shorts. Those are probably gonna be a pass as well. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of jeans that I'm like excited will for sure sell. And then probably all of these maybes I'm gonna sell. So I had 3 maybes that I'm just gonna put in there. That way then my cost of goods isn't so high. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 or so that I'm gonna look up and see, and hopefully a few of those I can sprinkle in. That way then my cost of goods is like $3 a piece instead of, you know, like $6+ a piece. But overall, I think that this box is okay. These boxes are just a gamble. I'll have my last denim box that I filmed and my last thread up unboxing linked for you all. But yeah, let me know how you think I did. Was there something that I said I wasn't going to sell that you think I should keep? But yeah, if you're interested in anything, please let me know. I will have my stores linked down below for you all. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all of the things, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.